So students, welcome once again to the Open Academy of Education. In today's video lecture, we are going to start here with ICSE Class 10th. Subject is Math and chapter is 2, that is Banking. Book is again your ML Agarwal, right? So let us start. Before proceeding into chapter, we will discuss some basic things related to banking. So students, banking is related to a bank. So bank, as you know, what is a bank? Bank is an institution which mainly carries on the business of getting deposits and lending money, right? Some functions of banks, as you know, as you already know, some of them I remind you here. Getting deposits. So why do we go to a bank? For getting deposits, for banks also lend money. These are some functions of banks: lending money, transferring money, money from one place to another. Banks also provide us traveler checks, and foreign exchange to the tourist as well as other peoples. They also provide us deposit vaults. In the commonly we call them as lockers, right, to keep our valuables in the safe custody of banks. So these are many. There are many other functions like payments of utility services, accepting payments, for public utility services such as various types of bills: electricity bill, water bills, phone bills, house tax, sale tax, income tax, salaries of employees, etc. So these are some functions of bank, right? So whenever we state a bank, we also state various types of bank accounts. Bank accounts, various types of banks, various types of bank accounts such as savings account, current bank or current account, fixed deposit account, or in short we call it as FD. And number 4th is recurring or cumulative account. In short, we call it as RD, recurring deposit. So in this chapter of banking, this account is only this account is in your syllabus, right? So we will discuss in detail about the recurring or cumulative or RD account, right? So students, this recurring or RD account is for the basically all for the purpose of boosting the savings among the middle class or small income groups, right? So there are various schemes in this RD account, various recurring time deposit schemes in banks as well as in post offices, right? So in this, under this account, an investor has to deposit a fixed amount in multiples of rupees 5. So these are deposits every month. Every month we have to deposit an amount in multiple of rupees 5 for a specified number of months. Which are in multiples. Number of months are multiples of 3, right? When this period expires, we will get this period is called maturity period, right? So this period is called maturity period. When this period or maturity period expired, so we get amount deposited by us or anyone gets amount deposited by him together with the interest, right? Amount he will get principal plus interest, that will become amount, right? So this interest is compounded quarterly at a fixed rate. यहाँ पे compounded quarterly, interest is compounded quarterly at a fixed rate announced by the government. The amount received by the investor at the for the specific on expiry of the specific period is called its maturity value. So maturity value or MV we will call it in short, right? So this rate of interest is revised from time to time, right? Revised by the government from time to time. So next thing you have to keep in mind in it is to proceed further on this chapter or in this chapter, you have to keep the formulas. So first is you have to keep in mind basic things. P is principal, so P is principal, I is interest, R is rate of interest, A is amount. So you have to keep in mind these basic things, right? And the basic formulas, number 1 for this chapter would be, we have to first calculate interest, right? This interest is principal into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r upon 100, right? R upon 100. So where n is number of months, right? We have to keep in mind n is number of month, P is principal, R is R percent. So to remove percent, we divide it by 100, right? The second formula we will use here is, as I have told earlier, maturity value, or in short we called it as MV. For MV, principal into n plus 1. Now principal into n plus 1. So this is the maturity value, right? Let us move on to our exercise. So exercise is 2. Question number is first. Students, here you have to keep in mind that all our calculations are based on simple interest, that is simple interest, right? So let us start from here. Mrs. Goswami deposits rupees 1000 every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% interest per annum. Find the matured value. So here what is being deposited? Rupees 1000. So this is our principal, rupees 1000, right? It is being deposited for every month. So and deposited for 3 years. Our n would be equal to 3 into 12, as 12 months are there in a year. So in 3 years the number of months would become 36, right? So R is 8% per annum, right? So therefore what we have to calculate? Find the matured value. So first, for calculating matured value, we have to calculate the interest, right students? So interest would be using the first formula we have done on the previous page, principal into n plus n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r upon 100. So what is the principal? 1000 into n is what? 36. 36 plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r is this, right? These two 0 got cancelled with this. 12 1 ja, 12 3 ja, 2 5 ja. So what our equation has become now? 5 into 3 into 37 into 8, right? So this would become, if we multiply it, so 8 5 ja 40, 3 ja 120 into 37. So 12 7 ja 84, 12 3 ja 36 plus 8 44, and 0 will come here. So this rupees 4470 has become our interest. So we have to find out matured value. Formula for matured value is P into n plus 1, right? So P is what? 1000 into 36 plus interest we have calculated, sorry, this we become 44440, right? So this interest will become 4440, right? So first we will do, in such things keep in mind the rule of BODMAS. First bracket, then we are going to solve off, then division, then multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here we will do multiplication first. So 36,000 plus 444440 is equal to 36 plus 4 40 rupees 404. So this is our answer, right students? So this was question number first. Let us move to the question number next. So question number next is, Sonia had a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 6,000 per month for 2.5 years. If the rate of interest was 10% per annum, find the maturity value of this account. So here students, what is being deposited is rupees 600. So principal is rupees 600, right? N is 2.5, so years. So it would become 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2 into 12, right? So this is being deposited for 30 months. So this is N. So R is 10% per annum. To reach maturity value, we have to again calculate the interest. So formula for interest would be again P into N into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. So again 600 into N is 30. 30 plus 1 upon 2 into 12. R is 10 upon 100. So this got cancelled with this 2 3 ja and 3 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 5 2 ja 2 15. So our equation has become 15 into 31 into 5, right? So 15 5 ja 75, 75 we will multiply 75 by 31, right? 5 1 ja 5, 7 1 ja 7, 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 7 22, 7 3 ja 21 plus 2 2 3 2 5. So our interest has become 2 3 2 5, right? So matured value would be, therefore matured value or maturity value P into N plus I. P is what? 600 into N is what? 30 plus I is what? 2325 calculated by us again by board mass. So 600 into 30 1800 plus 2325. So our answer would be 18 plus 2 20. These three are over these three, so 23 to 5, right? So our maturity value would be this one. So let us move to question number 3. Question number 3 is Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in a bank's recurring deposit account. If the bank pays interest of 11% per annum, find the amount she gets on maturity. So here principal has become now rupees 200 and is given already given in months, so no need to change or convert. So R is 11% per annum. So here again our interest would be P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, right students? So 200 into N is 36, 36 plus 1 upon 2 into 12. R is, so this got cancelled with this 2 with this, 12 1 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So equation has now become 37 into 11. So 11 3 ja 33, 33 into 37 we will do here. 7 3 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21 plus 2 7 3 ja 21, 7 3 ja 21 plus 2 23, 3 3 ja 9, 23 plus 9 32, 3 plus 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 12. So rupees 1221 would be our interest. So maturity value, the amount she gets, amount or maturity value. P into N plus I. P is 200 into N is 36 to 1. So again 36 to the 7200 plus 1 2 2 1 7 plus 1 8 2 plus 2 4 rupees 8 sorry this is 1 8 4 2 1 would be our answer, right? Let us move on to the next question. Question number 4. So Hanif has a cumulative bank account. So I have told you cumulative bank is RD account and deposit rupees 600 per month for a period of 4 years. If he gets rupees 5880 as interest at the time of maturity, find rate of interest. Now we have to find here our rate of interest. Again write what has been given. So principal is rupees 600, N is 4 years, so we will convert it into months. 4 into 12 equal to 48 months. Gets 5880 as interest, so interest we will write as this 5880. So according to our formula, therefore interest is again P into N plus 1 upon 12. So interest is already given here, we will write it this side. Principal is 600, N is 48 months, 48 plus 1 upon 2 into 12, R we have to calculate. So what we would do, this got cancelled, 12 4 ja 2 2 ja. So what would this become now? 6 2 ja 12, 12 into 49 into R, right? So 12 into 49, 12 9 ja 108, 8 12 4 ja 48 plus 10 58. R would multiplied by this and come like this. So if you have learnt your tables well, your calculations would become more fast. 5880 upon 58 equal to R. So this would got cancelled with this. So therefore R would become 10% per annum, right? Let us move on to the next. So next is this 5. David opened a recurring RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month for 2 years. Right, if he received 7725 at the time of maturity, now this 7725 is the maturity value. Find rate of interest per annum, right? So opened recurring deposit P equal to rupees 300 and N is equal to 2 years. So 2 years would become 24 months. So total money deposited at the end of 24 months would be what? 7,200. Therefore he has deposited 300 per month for 24 months. So this would becomes rupees 7200, right? So he deposited 7200, but he received total money deposited, or this may be called as amount, but he received this at the time of maturity. So matured value rupees. From this and this we will calculate our interest. Therefore interest received would be 7725 matured value minus total money deposited, rupees 525. So now this has become simple. Therefore I equal to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r upon 100. So I we have calculated this 525. P is 300, n is 24 months, 2 into 12 12 2 ja 24. These two got cancelled with this. Now become 24 plus 125 into 3 75, right? 75 r, right? So r would become 525 upon 75. 75 7 ja 525. So 7% per annum, right? So this is our answer. Let us move on to question number 6. So what is question number 6 is, Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity he got 67500, and find total interest earned by Mr. Gupta and the rate of interest per annum. So here students, our principal is rupees 2500, time is n, 2 years, so 2 into 12, 24 months, right? And maturity value he got is rupees 67500, right? Again we have to find total deposits. Therefore total money deposited. So we have called it as amount 2500 into 24, right? So 25 for the 100, 25 to the 50 plus 10, 60. This is total money deposited. Therefore, interest would be total money deposited A minus M. MV minus A, right? 67500 minus 60,000, right? So 6 got cancelled, so we will get rupees 7500. So again, now the question has become simple. So this is the total interest earned, first part, and second part we are going to rate of interest. So from I equal to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Interest we have find out 7500 equal to P is what? 2500. N is 24. 24 plus 1, 2 into 12 into R we have to find out. So these two cancelled, 12 2 ja, and this. So 25 into 25, 625, 25 ja, 625 into R. Therefore R would become 7500 upon 625. So this 625 1 just 625, so 12% per annum, right students? So this was question number 6. Let us move on to question number next. Question number next is Shahrukh opened a RD account in a bank and deposited rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. If he received rupees 15084 at the time of maturity, this is the maturity value. Find the rate of interest. We have to find our rate of interest. This question has come in the year 2014. So let us, so principal is rupees 800, N is equal to 1.5 year equal to 3 upon 2 into 12 to 6 equal to 18 months. Maturity value rupees 15084. So therefore total money deposited equal to 800 is deposited in 1 month. So for 18 months, this 18 months we will 18 8 ja 14400 rupees, right? So therefore interest is total money deposited, or we will call it as A, MV minus A. So MV is 15084 minus 14400. So 84 and 150 minus 1446. So this was interest. Again from our formula, I equal to P into n plus 1. Therefore यहाँ पे आपने लिखना है from 2 into 12 into r upon 100. I we have calculated 684. 684 equal to P 800 into n is 18 plus 1 2 into 12 into r upon 100. These 0 got cancelled with this. 6 3 ja 18, 6 2 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. So 684, 3 2 ja 6 plus 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 18 plus 1 9, 19, 19 6 ja 144 r. Therefore r would equal to 684 upon 144. 144 6 ja 114 है यहाँ पे 114 6 ja 684. 6% per and 96 ja 114, right? So let us move on to question number 8. So question number 8 is, Mr. Sonu has a recurring deposit account and deposit rupees 750 per month for 2 years. If he gets rupees 19125, this is maturity value at the time of maturity. So find the rate of interest. So principal equal to rupees 750. So n is 2 years equal to 2 into 12, 24 months. Maturity value is rupees 19125. So therefore total money deposited is equal to 750 into 24, right? So 75 into 24, 24 5 ja 120, 12, 24 7 ja 168 plus 12 180, right? So he will get 18,000. Right? So therefore interest is equal to, this is total money deposited A, maturity value minus A. Maturity value is 19125. So this 18,000 minus 18,000. This is rupees 1125. Again rate of interest. So from I equal to P into n plus 1, 2 into 12 into r upon 100. So interest we have calculated 1125, principal is 750, n 24 plus 1 2 into 12 upon 100. This got, so 575 ja 515 ja 75, 5 2 ja 2, 12 ja, and this got cancelled with this. So we have got 11 2 5 15, this is 25, 15 5 ja 75, 15 2 ja 30 plus 7 37 upon 2 r. So this will be cross multiplied, therefore 11 11 2 5 into 2 equal to 375 r, and r would be equal to 11 11 2 5 into 2 upon 375, right? So 375 5 ja or 3 ja 3753 ja 35 ja 15, 7 3 ja 21, and this would go. So therefore r would become 6% per annum, right students? So this was our question number 8. Let us move on to the question number 9, right? So question number 9 is, Rekha opened a recurring deposit for 20 months. The rate of interest is 9% per annum. Rekha receives, this is interest, at the time of maturity. Find amount Rekha deposited each month, right? So now the question has changed. We have to find P. So N is here is 20 months, R is 9% per annum, and interest is rupees 441, right? We have to find out P. So therefore from P equal to N, I equal to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Interest is 441. P we have to find out. N is 20. 20 plus 1 upon 2 into 12. R is given 9% per annum. So this 0 with this with this, right? So 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Now it has become 441. 2 plus 1 21 into 3. 21 into 3 63. This has become 63p upon 10 4 ja 40. Now we will do cross multiplication. So 63p would become 441 into 40. P would become 441 into 40 upon 63. So what 21 3 ja, and this would become 3 147. So 21 1 ja 27 21 7 ja. So 7 into 4 28 rupees 280. So our answer P we have calculated rupees 280 per month, right? She has deposited rupees 280 per month. So let us move on to question number 10. 10 is Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years, 6% per annum simple interest. If he gets rupees 1200 as interest at the time, find monthly installment and the amount at maturity. So here students, n is equal to 2 years, right? 2 into 12, 24 months, right? R is 6% per annum. I is equal to rupees 1200. So we have to first find out monthly installment. So again, from I equal to P multiplied n into n plus 1, 2 into 12 into R upon 100, right? So interest is given 1200. P we have to find out, P we have to calculate here. So n is 24 plus 1, 2 into 12 into R is 6 upon 100. 12 to the 24 got cancelled with this, right? So now 1200 equal to 24 plus 1, 25 into 6, 150 P upon 100. So cross multiplication. So 150p equal to 1200 into 100, p equal to 1200 into 100 upon 150. So rupees 800 is our P. Now move on to second part, find the amount of maturity. Therefore maturity value will be P into n plus I. P kitna calculate, how much P we have calculated, 800 into n is 24 plus interest is given 12, right? So 24 8s are, this is bracket, 24 8s are 19200 plus 120. So this is our maturity value 2090 plus 120 224, right students? So let us move on to question number next. Now Mr. R.K. Nair gets rupees 64455 at the end of 1 year at the rate of 40% per annum in a recurring deposit account. Find the monthly installment. So what is given here is matured value. Matured value is rupees 6455. Rate is 14% per annum, and we have to find out monthly installment, right? N is equal to 1 year equal to 1 into 12 months, right? Therefore from I equal to P into N n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into r upon 100. So first we will find out I. P into n is what? 12 plus 1 upon 2 into 12. So equal to this got cancelled to 7. Yeah. So I would become 12 plus 1 13, 13 7 ja 91 p upon 100. So this is I. So therefore from we have to find out maturity value. From maturity value we have to find out the interest. Maturity value formula is P into n plus I. Maturity value is 6455 equal to P into 12 plus interest we have find out 91p upon 100. So I am solving further here. So P into 12, so this has become 6455 equal to 12p plus 91p upon 100. So this would become 6455 100 into 12 1200p plus 91p upon 100. So by cross multiplication, so this has become 1291p 1291p equal to 6455 into 100. P equal to 6455 into 100 upon 1291. So this will go by 5. So P equal to rupees 500. Find monthly installment. Therefore monthly installment would be rupees 500. Right, students? So let us move on to the question number next. So question number next is what? Smita has a recurring deposit account in a bank of ₹10% per annum. At the time of maturity, find the total time for which. This is again good question. So we will do it here. Samita has a recurring deposit account 1200 per month. So this is principal. No, sorry, 2000 per month. This is principal. R is 10% per annum. Maturity value equal to rupees 83100. Right? So again we have to find out time here, right? Therefore from P I equal to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 r upon 100. Right? So if so now I would become 2000 into n would become n square plus n upon 2 into 12. R is 10 100. So this got cancelled with this, and 2 10 ja, so 5 2 ja, 6 2 ja, 5 2 ja, 3 2 ja. So I would become 5 5 ja, 25, 25 n square plus 25 upon 3, right? So by cross, so this is the value of I, right? So again from, or for simplicity we can write it as I equal to 25 n, here it is also n common, n plus 1 upon 3, right? So therefore total money deposited, we will find 2000 is deposited for n months, so rupees 2000 n, right? So therefore matured value would be equal to total money deposited plus interest, right? So matured value what he has given is this 83100. Total money deposited we have calculated 2000 and plus interest we have calculated 25 n upon 3. So students, let us take this on the next page. So this has become 83100 equal to 2000 n plus 25 n into n plus 1 upon 3. Let us solve it. 6000 n plus 25 n square plus 25 n upon 3. So cross the, now this will become 83100 into 3, 6000 n plus, so this would become 6025 plus 25 n square, right? So this has become 300009 right? So this would become 6025 n plus 25 n square. So now this has become an equation like this: 25 n square plus 6025 n minus 25930 equal to 0. So we have to factorize it, right? So can we find out something common in it? Let us try. So students, if we take 25 as common, so this would come out to be 2 minus 9972 equal to 0. So this 25 got, so our equation has become this. Now we have to factorize it, right? So factors could be 277 and 36. So 277 and minus 36 and minus 9972 equal to 0. So n so this will become n plus 277 minus n so this would become 36 minus 36. This would become n minus minus plus 277 36 997. So our factors has become n minus 36 into n plus 277. So this is a positive, this we can neglect it, therefore n minus 36 equal to 0 and equal to 36. So therefore n equal to 36 months or n equal to 36 or upon 12 equal to 3 years. Right students? So this was the whole exercise of banking. I have solved it for you, all the questions in one video. If you had understood it well, then please make more and more likes, shares and subscriptions, right? In the next video we will do remaining portion of this exercise, that is multiple choice questions and chapter test for you. So till then it's goodbye. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you. Bye bye.